Hey guys, welcome back to English Buddy. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're just going to chat about everyday stuff, like friends catching up.
Yeah, nothing serious, just normal English. So, grab your coffee, chill, and let's talk.
That sounds like a plan.
So, Anna, how was your morning?
Don't ask. I woke up late, again, snoozed like 5 times.
Classic, Anna. How many alarms do you set?
3, but somehow I sleep through all of them.
You need, one of those alarms that screams or jumps off the table.
Or maybe one that makes coffee for me.
I'd buy that.
Mornings are just not my thing, you know? Like, I wake up, stare at the ceiling, and question life.
Existential crisis at 7 a.m.
Exactly.
But seriously, do you eat breakfast?
Coffee. That's it. Sometimes toast. You?
Oh, I'm a breakfast guy. Eggs, toast, banana, the whole thing.
Whoa. Fancy.
So, what are you doing this weekend?
Nothing big. Probably laundry. Maybe clean my room. Oh, my cousin is visiting on Sunday.
Oh, nice. The one from Chiang Mai?
Yep. Haven't seen her in 2 years.
That's exciting. Gonna take her anywhere?
Maybe the night market? Or that new boba place? You been there?
Yes. So good. I had the brown sugar one. Mwah.
Okay, I'm sold.
I love weekends. Even if I do nothing, just not working feels amazing.
Totally agree.
Okay, serious question. What's your comfort food?
Ooh, tough one. I'd say fried rice. Like Thai-style fried rice with egg.
That's solid. Mine is probably ramen. Hot, spicy ramen.
Yes. Noodles always hit the spot.
Especially when you're sad or tired or just lazy.
Exactly. Do you cook much?
Not really. I try, but I mostly end up ordering food.
Same. I tell myself I'll cook, then I just grab my phone. Food delivery, 30 minutes. Sold.
That's modern life.
What's your go-to order?
Pat Krapal. Spicy basil chicken. Every single time.
Classic Thai choice. Respect. What about you? Burger and fries. Super basic, but comforting.
Can't go wrong with that.
Okay, let's play a quick game.
Uh-oh. What kind of game?
Just random questions. Like, answer the first thing that comes to your mind.
Ooh, okay. Let's go.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Dogs or cats?
Cats.
Morning or night?
Night. Duh.
I knew it. Okay, if you could travel anywhere right now.
Japan. For the food.
Me too. Sushi, ramen, convenience store snacks, all of it.
You're just hungry again.
Always. Okay, your turn. Ask me.
Favorite movie?
Interstellar. Mind-blowing.
Nice. Favorite season?
Winter. Sweater weather, baby.
You love hoodies.
I live in them.
Okay, last one. If you could have any superpower.
Ooh. Teleportation. No more traffic.
Yes! Take me with you.
Done. Wow, I can't believe we've been talking for almost an hour.
Time flies when you're just rambling.
True. But hey, this was fun. Just chill conversations, right?
Yeah, and I hope it helps our listeners pick up some natural English.
That's the goal. Just like friends talking.
Honestly, I think that's the best way to learn.
Same here. No pressure, no textbooks, just talking.
So, any final thoughts?
Maybe just a reminder, don't worry about being perfect, just keep practicing.
Yes, make mistakes. Laugh about them. That's how you grow.
Couldn't agree more. Oh, and drink water.
Always important.
All right, guys, thanks so much for listening.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English Buddy.
Bye.
Bye.